guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So for those who are watching this space for the very first time, please do consider subscribing and thanks in advance. And for those who already watch my videos, thank you so very much guys. Alright, so today I will be diving into a really interesting topic, which is how to recognize real Adidas shoes, or how to know that the shoes have got are the real ones or the fake ones. So as you guys know that the fake sneakers markets are going crazy nowadays, so it is very important for everyone to be alert before buying anything. So in this video I'm gonna share few steps that really gonna help you to identify the real shoes, or to know the difference between the fake ones and the real ones. So without further ado, let's quickly begin the video. So I have got a pair of Adidas shoes, and these are the real ones because I have done a lot of research on this topic. And to be honest, this was my very first time when I was buying something like branded or something very expensive. Like this is at rupees 7k. So this is not a moderate amount. This is a big amount for me to spend on a shoe. So I was very skeptical about the genuineness of the product. So I have done a lot of research, and now I have an idea about what details needs to be checked in order to help you out as well. So that's why I'm making this video. So the first step to know the authenticity or genuineness of the product is its box. Yes guys, so the first step is to check out the box completely. Let me show you how. I have already unboxed the parcel because I wanted to check the authenticity or the genuineness of the product. So that's why this is opened like so. This is the box you're seeing, and checking out the box means to check these details which are mentioned over this. So on this box, you are seeing a tag having the product information saying name of the commodity, article number, color, net quantity, MRP, size, country of origin, date of manufacturing, name and address of imported, and customer care contact details. So these are the basics details. So we need to focus on article number and PO number because the same information or the same code will be present inside the shoe tongue that I'm going to show in few seconds. But before that, let me just search this article number over the Google in order to move towards the first step of authentication move. So yeah, let's do that. So when you search the article number over the Google, you'll get the picture related to your product, similar picture related to your product. And if you're getting this, then this is passing the first. By the way, these are the shoes that I have got, and these are matching to this article numbers images perfectly. Now let's move toward the second step. Now for the second step, we need to open the box, the bill. The real Adidas company will always send you the bill inside the box, and if you're not getting it, then there are more chances that your product is fake. Now let's move towards the third step. So the third step is stitching, and stitching is one of the most important aspect which needs close observation, because real Adidas items will always have uniform and neat stitching, while the fake ones will always be having shoddy and uneven stitching, and which makes it easier to spot fake Adidas shoes. So as you're seeing that these shoes are uniformly stitched, there is no glue you're able to see. So the fake shoes will always have uneven stitching like this, and you will also see glue between this area. But in the shoes you are seeing that these are uniformly stitched, and it is one of the most important parameter which indicates that your shoes are the real ones. Now the fourth step is to check the details which are mentioned over the box to the shoe tongue. So here article number and PO number is given inside the tongue of the shoes, and if that matches to the code written over the box and outside of the box, then it means that your shoes are the real ones, because it is one of the most important aspect which indicates to you that your shoes are the real ones or the fake ones. Now let's move towards the next step. So as we just matched the PO number and the article number with the box number, and now you are seeing a QR code along with this number. So if you scan this QR code, then this will directly take you to official Adidas website, and then you will see the images related to your product or the real images of your shoes. And if this QR code is not working and it's not taking you to the official website, then that means that your product is the fake one, it's not the original one. So I have done this searching as well, QR code searching. So I'll put the screen recording here as well for your reference. Yeah, So now let's move toward the last and also one of the most important step, which is serial number. So real Adidas shoes will always give different serial number on left and right shoes. It will never be the same. Saying in these shoes, this is the serial number. Like this last one is the serial number, and if I'll show you the second shoe, then here also you will see the different serial number. So this is also one of the most important step which tells you about which tells you the difference between the fake ones or the real ones. Alright guys, so these were the steps, and I also know that a lot of people will also say that the things which I spoke in this video, a fake seller can also do, like they can also make the shoes in the similar way. But let me just tell you one more thing guys, that the scale or the rate at which Adidas shoes or the any brand shoes, like expensive brand shoes are made, is really high. And this article system, QR code system, scanning system, it burns a hole on someone's pocket. So these are very expensive things, and it is again like it itself a daunting task for the company. So it will again become very difficult for reseller to make the shoes in the similar way. So that's why and that's the reason that these are one of the most important steps to check the genuineness of the product, or to know that the shoes they have got are the real ones or the fake ones, and to know the difference between the real shoes and the fake shoes. So yeah guys, I hope you're gonna like this video. Earlier I used to focus only on my background, on my face while I'm putting on lipstick and blah blah blah. But nowadays I am putting more effort on content, more efforts on content. I am spending about 4 to 5 hours doing research, doing the quality work and all these things, and just spending 5 minutes on my face, on my hair, to improve the content. So I am sure that you're gonna like it. And if you don't like my content, then please let me know in the comment section, and please tell me my areas of improvement. I will surely improve. So yeah guys, we'll see you next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye guys, take care. So I have this box, and these are the details. Here article number and PO number. This number should be matching to the number given inside the shoe. So let's check that. So see, here is the article number is IF5732, and the same is given inside the shoe or on the shoe tongue. Let me just zoom in. See, IF5732. Below that PO number is given, and that is 1330426 and the same is given over the box. 133042666. Same is given here. 133042666. Okay, now we need to match the different serial number on these two shoes. So let's do that. I'll just take a picture because it will be very difficult for me to make a video. So I'll just take the pictures of these two shoes, and then I'll put the screenshot over the screen so you can see that.